Hi, it's Maggie Roth, your fairy godmother of trading. Well, last week I made 3 predictions, and the first one was I said, hey, we've got a market correction where the market had dropped down 10%. I said it was going to bounce off of that 10% support line. And sure enough, that's exactly what it did. The second prediction I made was that it was about how the market was going to recover. It could have even gone up in a straight V. It could have been sideways, or it could have been choppy up and down. And I said, hey, it was going to bounce and recover choppy up and down. Well, it sort of did, so I'm going to give myself half a point there. The third prediction I made was I didn't think there would be any interest rate adjustments this time by the FOMC. And sure enough, there wasn't. Now, I listened carefully to what Powell said during his press conference, looking for clues about future adjustments to the interest rate. Some of the things I heard him say is we do not need to move fast. He also said that there's high uncertainty with the tariffs and the new policies by the new president. He also talked about it's acceptable to wait for clarity. Well, we have been saying all through the end of last year that there were going to be 2 interest rate corrections in 2025. I'm going out on a limb. I don't think there'll be any in 2025. I think that we have to get more seated in what's going on, recover in a lot of areas. So I think they're going to leave the interest rates just as they are. How'd I do through all this? Well, I didn't do much trading because I couldn't find trades that were ones that I said, wow, there's a great trade. And I only trade what I think is going to be a great trade. I do not trade just to be trading. My gain last week was only 0.93%, but guys, every trade I put on was a winner. So that's not bad. I just didn't do very many. That's what I got inside my brain this week. And thank you so much.